How to add Netflix account on another phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add Netflix account on another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to basically add your Netflix account on another phone, it's actually quite very simple to do. Well, it's just as it sounds. To add your Netflix account on another phone, just log in on that phone using the email and password. Now you might tell me you can link it using a QR code or something. No, it doesn't work that way. That is on TV. If you're trying to log in on TV, you can directly link using a QR code and scan it with your Netflix account. But if you're trying to log in on another phone, you just have to use the email address and password manually. Aside from that, there is no way. You can create a separate profiles though for that person to use, and so that you can watch from your own profile, they can watch from their own profile. But aside from that, you don't really have other options. In that case, you have to give them the email and password and they will be able to log in. So hope this video helps you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.